Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different format than I normally do. It's going to be more of a vlog style. I wanted to take you along with me on my latest vacation, my road trip that my husband and I took. I wanted to show you that it is possible to stay on plan while you're on vacation. If you're new to my channel, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. And on my channel, you will find recipes that are whole food plant-based. Most of them, probably 99% of them, are gluten-free. And if that sounds good to you, I hope you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell because I do post videos twice a week. And you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group and I will leave a link to that in the description box below. So just wanted to give you a little background on this video. We took a road trip, my husband and I. We went to Bosie, Idaho to visit my son. We went to Glacier National Park. We went through Yellowstone and we went to the Grand Tetons. And so in all that, you're going to see little bits and pieces. I do a full day of what I ate, and then you'll see little snippets of other meals that I had on this trip. And just know that when you go on vacation or a road trip, that don't expect to be perfect. It's okay if you eat a few off-plan things, which I definitely did because we did go out to some restaurants. But don't beat yourself up about it. Get back on plan on the next meal and just enjoy your vacation. Don't put too much pressure on yourself thinking, oh, I have to stick to this. I can't veer at all. That will just drive you crazy. But if you 90% of the time you're doing what you're supposed to be doing on this plan, then you'll be just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you at the end. On the road again. Starting off the morning with some oatmeal with blueberries that I'll be eating shortly. We're on the way to Avalanche Lake and just saw this beautiful waterfall. I wanted to share it with you. We made it to Avalanche Lake and it was well worth it. Only 2 miles. We'll be 2 miles back and then we'll probably be ready for lunch. Then just had a layer bar. I split it with my husband just for a little snack, and then we're heading back. So we just finished our hike and we did over 20,000 steps, so we're really hungry. So I'm going to make these quick sandwiches. You've seen me make them before. I did forget one of the ingredients, but you know what? You make do. So I've got 2 pieces of gluten-free bread. I'm just going to put some hummus on here. And we're at a beautiful spot. I'm going to swing it around so you can see. Maybe you can. We're down by the river. I've got a little hummus. I've got a little Dijon mustard. I've got some avocado. And I'm just going to put a little bit on mine. My husband will have more, and you just kind of smash it down. Now I am going to use some vegan cheese only because since I'm doing such strenuous hiking and exercising, I'm going to eat a little bit higher fat on this trip, which I'm totally okay with. So I've got my cheese, my avocado. I'm just going to put tomato on here. I had a horrible knife. And then I've got some lettuce that I'll place on here, and that is it. and that will be lunch. I have some steamed red baby potatoes that I did actually just in my Instant Pot. And I've got some sugar snap peas, and I've got an apple. So this will be our lunch, and then we'll probably go on another hike. And I try to eat as simple as possible when I am on vacation or when I'm traveling, you know, like this is a road trip. Keep it simple, people. It just will make your life so much easier. And this is a great lunch. It'll be filling, satisfying. So, all right, I'll show you the rest of the trip and what's going on for dinner. So we got home a little bit ago. I jumped in the shower. Just gonna make some fajitas. So I just sliced up some red pepper, green pepper, yellow onion, and red onion. I'm just gonna let these cook down so they get caramelized. Now these have cooked down a bit, so I'm gonna season them with some onion powder, granulated garlic, and we'll let them cook another couple minutes. And while the veggies are cooking, I've got some black beans I'm just going to throw in the microwave, and I'm just going to put some onion powder and garlic powder on these as well. I also decided to throw in some potatoes, so we're just going to let these heat through. So you may need to add water as it absorbs, just to keep it cooking. And you want these to cook down. They get really sweet. And you could throw in any vegetables that you want. Just use what you have. When you're on vacation and staying in an Airbnb and eating on the road, you're not going to have the same things that you have at home. So just improvise and be flexible. The last minute or so, I'm just going to throw in some cherry tomatoes that I cut in half and just do a squeeze of lime. Just kind of freshens up the taste. So I just heated up a tortilla, and then I've heated up my beans. I had some pinto beans left over as well, so I threw those in. Turn these off. And that's going to be my fajita tonight. So I've got my veggies, my starch, the beans for the protein. I'm also going to add a little salsa. And you could add avocado if you wanted. I'm just going to eat as is. Montana in May. So we made it to our last Airbnb in Wilson, Wyoming. Really cute. It's like a little cabin. It's just so pretty. Cute little bed. Here's the kitchen. And tonight I'm just gonna I've steamed up a bunch of green beans. I'm making some fries, and we've got the air fryer, which has saved our lives. I've used this probably every night. We've had French fries, or I've made tortilla chips or something. So I'm gonna whip those up, and then out here there's this field. There was a bunch of Canadian geese out there, and some cows. Hoping to see a moose, but it's got this cute little table out here, although it's been raining all day. Hoping for better weather tomorrow. I'll show you when all my food's done. Okay, so here are my green beans. I put a little of my cheese sauce on there. I've got my fries and some ketchup. And then I'm just gonna put a little nutritional yeast on everything. And that's dinner. The perfect 50-50 plate. Well, today is a new day, No rain, the sun is out. Oh, it's beautiful. Got some horses out in the field. This is such a cute little property. Here we have breakfast this morning. I've got some leftover vegan pizza, my green beans, and then we had leftover rice and beans. There's a few veggies in there. So that is my breakfast this morning. Looks delish. You know, you just throw together what you have, especially when you're on vacation. But this to me is a well balanced. I've got my greens, got starch. So we're doing good starting off the day. For those of you who don't know, those are elk horns, and every year they drop those, they just fall off. So those elk were not killed for those horns. That's what I was told. If I'm wrong, I'm sure someone will let me know. Okay, another snowstorm. We're heading out to Vegas on our way home. Had big thunderstorms last night. It's 31 degrees. Fun. And we made it. Home sweet home. There's our beautiful ocean. Happy to be home, but it was a great trip. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the scenery. It was just absolutely beautiful up there. And I hope that you got some ideas of what you can do when you go on vacation and how easy it is to stay on plan. We kept things very simple. Our meals were very simple. Things don't have to be complicated. You don't have to overthink things. Just choose the foods that you like to eat and just stick with that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And check out my Facebook and my Instagram as well at Chew on Vegan. Thanks for sticking to the end today, and we will see you next time. Thank you.